现在你可以看到，我们把原来的头灯拆除掉了。
Remove the OEM headlight.
然后这个是原厂头灯的插头。
This is the stock plug for OEM headlight.
Yeah, now this is a stock headlight plug connect over here, and in the back side we can check the 3 wire over here, and this wire is negative. We use this wire make a switch over here, and we also need to find out the 10 signal wire. 10 signal wire over here, right side, left side and right side. So you can see we also have the power wire and the negative wire. In our bike, M109R, the negative wire always like this color, black with white, black with white. This is negative, and the light green is power wire, is for power use. Remember, in the right side, the power wire is black, not this. Black is power wire. So we look our devil light. This part is for headlight use, and inside is the HID. HID system like this. The power wire we hook on the battery. You can see the red color hook on the battery power wire, and this is hook on the battery negative wire. So this part is no problem, and this blue color is for control the low beam and the high beam use, but it's all designed together, so you don't make any modify, just plug on. Okay, plug here. But you got how to mounting this controller box. I always use the 3M sticker and stick on this on here. After you install this headlight in the cloth and in the cover, you should be stick this controller over here. Okay. Then this part is no problem. Now we can check the position light. In a US spec, the 10 signal light have the position light over inside, but in a Euro spec, they don't have the position light. So you can find only 2 wires. If your bike is US spec, you can find 3 wires over here. One is for turn signal, and the other one is for position use. Then the last is for negative. Okay. So if your bike you don't have the position light over here, then you gotta find out other power like this. Euro spec have the position light independent in here. This brown color is power wire, and the black with white is negative. So we hook the power over here. This brown for power use, and the black with white for ground, for negative. Okay, like here. This is the controller box with the remote function. Okay. So we can check the wire into the headlight. Okay, for the ring, for this ring, and we also have a background light. Background light is use the CCFL, his power and the controller over here. And we also need hook on the power wire, so they can combine together like this. But remember, when you hook on the power over here, it will be brighting all time. So if you don't want the bright all time, you can add a switch over here in a negative wire. Cut this wire and add a switch over here. Then you can turn on and turn off. If you want to show your devil headlight, you got turn off the HID. Because the HID is too bright, it will be cover the ring color and background color. So you got turn off the headlight. How to add a switch in a major headlight? Please add a switch over here. You don't need to cut this side. You can cut the negative wire over here. Please cutting the in a relay side. This wire will be safe, okay? And keep your main harness completed, okay? If you have any question, please email to us. Thanks for watching.